Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be starting four different types of seeds, and I'm super excited. There's one set that I'm very excited to start. The other ones I'm excited about too, but this one, these sundews. Let's see if I can get that to focus. So I ordered these from Seedville, USA. They are called sundews, but I think some people call them pings, and they are a carnivorous plant. And the seeds are so tiny, I can't even, like, they're microscopic. There's no way I can show you guys what these look like, but at least I'll start them today and then keep you guys updated on if they germinate or not. I think that they can be difficult, and yeah. So on the package it says to surface sow. Surface sowing means you just lay the seeds on top of the soil. You do not want to cover them because the seeds, if you surface sow something, I think it's mainly because that seed needs light to germinate, but these particular seeds also need to be kept very warm, and I'm guessing humid too. So this, with all seeds, you want to keep the soil moist, so these will be no different. This is actually going to be a house plant for me, and hopefully all the seeds will germinate. All right, the next set is blue fescue. If you guys have been following me, you know that I grew a ton of blue fescue seeds last year, and they did so well. They are planted out in the garden. They look fabulous even through winter time. Like, they're out there looking all blue like that. They are so cute. Now, the rabbits do love blue fescue, and they kind of ate some of them down to the ground, but that didn't stop them from just producing more and more foliage. So definitely a good ornamental grass seed to grow, and it's super easy. This is my package from last year. I didn't buy any new this year because I still have some seeds, and these are container friendly, so if you want to just keep some in some pots or make an arrangement with blue fescue, you can do that as well. And excuse me, the next set I'm starting is a lemongrass, and the only reason I'm starting this early is because last year when I started lemongrass, it seemed to take so long to get going, and then I ended up buying one from the grocery store that was in a 6-inch pot, and the one that I grew from seed never caught up to that 6-inch pot. So I'm gonna start this a little bit early this year, see if I can nurture it to get it, you know, big for harvesting. I like to use this, excuse me, I'm having issues today because I had a lot of cheese before this video, so now I'm like, excuse me, I'm sorry. Okay, so we like to use the lemongrass to make tea rings, and the lemongrass tea is super mild, but it's really good for you. So yeah, so I'm gonna get this started early, and I'm actually gonna start a couple of pots of this to see how it goes. And last but not least, I am starting some ornamental kale. Let me see, I started this last year and I ripped the tag off, so I don't know what kind this is. Let me see. It's just a flowering kale. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna start it. And I know it's ornamental, and I know it's cold tolerant. All right, so let's go ahead and get these seeds started. First, I'm gonna start some blue fescue. Let's see what I have left. It's a good amount. I see one more seed down there. A couple more seeds. Actually, this should be plenty for this tray though. Hey guys, so that is it. All these little seeds are planted. We've got blue fescue, lemongrass, ornamental, kale, and the pings. Now the pings were super difficult because the seeds were so tiny and they wouldn't come out of the plastic bag. They were kind of static, clung to it. So I don't even know if any seeds went into the soil. We'll just have to wait and see. And anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about any of the seeds that I have started, what brands or where they're from, leave me a message and I'll be sure to get back to you. But until then, bye!